Om Sairam everyone. Today we are at Uttar Pradesh and we are going to show you the four places associated with Lord Krishna. The place where he was born, the place where he actually grew up, and the place where he ruled, and the places also associated with Krishna Leelas. We are actually starting at Mathura, where Lord Krishna was born. He was born in a prison. Kansa killed 7 newborns who were born before Sri Krishna. Krishna was born in this prison as the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudeva. They have maintained this place well. There are 7 places here called Saptapuris, which bless the pilgrims with moksha. They are Ayodhya, Mathura, Maya और हरिद्वार, काशी और वाराणसी, कांची और कांचीपुरम, अवंतिका और उज्जैन, and Dwaravati or Dwarka. Some of these places grant mukti if one is born there, some if one dies there, some if one visits, and some if a devotee merely thinks of the place. One of it is Mathura. Mathura is one of the Saptapuris. It is here Krishna was born at this prison to Devaki, and from here he went to Gokula. It was raining that night, and his father Vasudeva carried him to Gokula. Adishesha, the Nag, the serpent, acted as an umbrella, and river Yamuna parted so that Vasudeva can cross and go to Gokula. Krishna is brought up at Gokula by Yashoda Maya and Nanda Baba. In the prison, they have kept a small picture of Krishna. It was here Lord Krishna was born. There is a pond near the prison. People used to drop the umbilical cords of newborn into the pond. This practice is not followed now and is discontinued. It is not clear why the practice was followed. People I asked were also not aware of the reason. People said that the practice started with Krishna and the umbilical cords of newborns were dropped in the pond for a long time. Now, this is Yamuna river. It was across Yamuna, Krishna's father Vasudeva carried Krishna to Mathura to actually hide him from Kansa. River Yamuna parted so that he could cross and make it to the other shore. Krishna grew up in the Gokula. Lord Krishna is mentioned in several places in Sai Satcharita. The first instance is the Aarti itself, the Baba's Aarti, which contains Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And the second instance is where we know that Radha Krishna Mai did pilgrimage of Char Dham, that is Mathura, Puri, Jagannath, etc., before coming to Shirdi. Now we have crossed the river and we are now at Gokula, where Krishna grew up. This is the tree on the banks of the Yamuna, and the tree dates back to Krishna. This is the tree on which Lord Krishna kept the clothes of gopis after they got into the Yamuna for a bath. As mentioned, this tree dates back to Krishna's time and they have preserved it very well. Krishna performed his Bala Leelas at Gokula. He used to play around this tree and also hang from the tree. So they have conserved the tree which dates to that age. This is the house of Yashoda and Nanda Baba in which Krishna grew up. This is also preserved well. There are lots of cows here and Krishna loved cows. The Bala Leelas of Krishna, like stealing butter, are captured well in this house through sculptures or figurines. This is the house in which Krishna grew up. There are also portraits of the Leelas which he performed while he was here. Near this house was the house in which his brother Balram was born and grew up. Balram is the elder brother of Krishna. This house is opposite to the house we saw earlier. And this house is about 2800 years old. This is where Balram, Krishna's elder brother, grew up. There is another interesting place. To see Krishna grow up, Lord Shiva comes to Gokula and he remains at this place. Lord Shiva descended from Kailas and remained at this place in meditation. There is a Shiva temple now at this place. So Lord Shiva came to Gokula to see Krishna Leelas and offer his respects. The next place we are looking at is Brindavan. Brindavan is where Lord Krishna spent his adult life and also ruled from in this place. Brindavan is associated with Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. In Brindavan, we first go to the temple which is called Prem Mandir. The temple is extraordinary. All the Bala Leelas are captured very well as figurines or tableaus, as you can see. In this temple, the Garbhagriha below has Radha Krishna. The one above has Sita Rama. We cannot take photos or videos inside the Garbhagriha. The temple is very nice and very beautiful to see. It is from Brindavan. Lord Krishna did all the Leelas as adult, including helping Pandavas. The place is calm and serene, very serene. As mentioned before, there are two Garbhagrihas. That for Radha and Krishna is at the ground level, and that for Sita and Ram is at the upper level. Several Leelas of Krishna are captured as tableaus. If you come to Uttar Pradesh, there are several places associated with Krishna. Mathura, where he was born, Gokula, which is 25 kilometers from Mathura, is the place where he grew up. One of the Bala Leelas of Krishna is the lifting of Govardhan hill with one little finger. Govardhan is 46 kilometers from Gokula. Brindaban is the place where he ruled from. Brindaban is around 36 kilometers from Govardhan, and we are now at Brindaban. Here's Krishna and Radha on a swing which moves automatically. The tableaus take you back to the time of Krishna and bring memories. There is an ISKCON temple next to Prem Mandir. This place is really very clean. The maintenance here is very good. ISKCON temples are usually clean. This temple is exquisite. The Samadhi of ISKCON founder is also here. This is the founder of ISKCON and his Samadhi is here, as you can see. There are many foreigners here always chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This is the center part of the ISKCON temple. You can see devotees chanting and dancing happily here. There are very nice paintings in this temple. Prem Mandir had tableaus of statues and this place has realistic paintings. We felt very happy at this place, Deepak says. We had now come to Uttar Pradesh for 2 days. We spent the first day at Mathura and Gokula and the second day at Brindaban and Govardhan. The places are very divine. We are now at Govardhan, this place where actually Lord Krishna, when he was a little boy, he lifted the mountain with just one finger to protect the Gopalas and Gopis from torrential rains created by Lord Indra. This place is a parikrama place. Several people do parikrama or circumambulation. People along the way were always chanting Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. This is Radha Kund, the pond where Radha took bath. There is also the pond Krishna took bath. The women do bhajan here. We are doing parikrama and we can see a foreigner on the way. We are circumambulating the mountain. This is the hill Shri Krishna lifted with one finger when he was very young. This is the Govardhan Giri, as we say it, and we are doing parikrama chanting Radhe Krishna to commemorate and to celebrate the lifting of the Govardhan Giri. Thank you so much for watching this and I hope you really enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next video. Om Sai Ram.